Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Gmail, access your email inbox step by step clearly. Open a web browser on your computer or open the Gmail app on your phone. If you are on a computer, type gmail.com into the address bar and press enter. If you are on a phone, tap the Gmail app icon to launch it. On the Google sign-in page, find the email or phone field. Type the Gmail address you want to log in with. Double-check spelling to make sure there are no missing letters or extra spaces. Click or tap Next to continue. On the next screen, locate the password field. Type your password carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. If you want to see what you are typing, use the Show Password option if it appears. Click or tap Next to sign in. If Google asks you to confirm it is you, follow the on-screen verification steps. If you use two-step verification, enter the code sent to your phone or approve the sign-in prompt. If you are signing in on a shared computer, avoid selecting Stay Signed In to protect your account. After successful sign-in, you will be taken to your Gmail inbox automatically. Look at the left side to find Inbox, Sent, Drafts, and other folders. Click Inbox to view your newest emails at the top of the list. Click any email subject line to open and read the message. To reply, click Reply and type your response in the text box. To write a new email, click Compose and enter the recipient, subject, and message. To search for an email, use the search bar at the top and type keywords or a sender name. To switch to another Gmail account, click your profile picture in the top right corner. Select Add another account if you need to log in with a different address. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password and follow the recovery instructions. If you are logged in but not seeing new messages, click the refresh icon to update the inbox. To keep your account secure, sign out when you finish on public or shared devices. To sign out on a computer, click your profile picture and choose Sign Out. To sign out in the app, go to Account Settings and remove the account from the device if needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.